How to fix Omegle error connecting to server. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Fixing Omegle's error connecting to server can be a bit tricky, as it often relates to issues on Omegle's end. However, you can try the following steps to resolve the problem. Refresh the page. Sometimes this error can be temporary. Refresh the page or restart your browser to see if it resolves itself. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as a weak or unstable one can cause server connection issues. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as this can help in resolving issues related to saved data. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try to disable it. Some VPNs or proxies can interfere with Omegle's server connection. Check Omegle's status. Occasionally, Omegle experiences server problems, so you can check Omegle's official status page or social media for any announcements regarding server issues. Try again later. If all else fails, wait for a while and try connecting to Omegle again later. This issue may be on their end and could resolve itself. If the problem persists, it's important to note that Omegle has limitations and restrictions, and they may block access from certain regions or IP addresses. In such case, there might not be much you can do to resolve the issue. So that was it for this video. That's how to fix Omegle error connection to server. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.